Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, the Hartford is hiring, guys. There are 203 jobs found here. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Really quick video that I'm doing here. They have 203 jobs that are currently open. I will put the link in the description of this video so that way you can come in and take a look, guys, at all of the jobs that are currently open. If you wanted to look at your remote type, you have 100% remote. There are 26 open remote jobs here. As you can see the number here with 26, and then hybrid they have 98. So I'm just going to do a quick click on this job here just so you can take a look at what they have available, just to go over a quick synopsis, a quick view. This is associate claim representative auto. It's located in Naperville, Illinois. It's a hybrid position. Associate claim representative, we're determined to make a difference and are proud to be an insurance company that goes well beyond coverages and policies. Working here means having every opportunity to achieve your goals and to help others accomplish theirs too. Join our team as we help shape the future. So as an associate claims representative for all business lines, you're the front lines for our customer. Your primary role is to investigate and manage claims files to help individual and businesses prevail after their claim. So this role can be hybrid or remote, as aligned with the Hartford's Return to Office initiative. Candidates who live near one of their office locations will have expectations of working in an office 3 days a week, Tuesday through Thursday. Candidates who do not live near the office will have to work remote arrangements with the expectations of coming into an office as business needs arise. So this job starts on January 29, 2024. The training hours are as such, Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 and so forth. So you can come through and take a look if this job matches your skill set and your talents. And the goals are important. The key responsibilities are handle first and third party personal lines auto claims with a focus on financial accuracy, appropriate file disposition, and adherence to statutory guidelines. And you can come through and take a look at all the qualifications and all of the responsibilities. And it says college degree preferred, high school diploma required, preferred 1 year of experience in customer service. And guys, they offer benefits package. And you also want to test if you have a wonderful high-speed internet. This is what they require here for full-time, occasional part-time remote positions. And so you can come over here and take a look at what you have. And as conditions of your employment, you can obtain and maintain a state adjuster's license to process property and casualty insurance claims in the states supported by your office. Compensation for this role is anywhere between $44,000 and $66,000. So this is just one of the jobs just to take a look at what Hartford offers. And you can just come over here out of the 203 jobs, guys, and take a look to see what they have. But super congrats to anyone who gets one of these amazing roles. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. And if you know that someone is looking for a job, guys, please be so kind and share this video with them, guys. Sharing is caring. Please be a blessing. Thank you so much, guys, for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You are the best. Thank you for sharing. You are the best. I appreciate you lots. Love you lots, friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.